hang it right there? Okay, you gonna bless it with the kazoo? Okay, you have to put it on the tree now. Put it on a branch so it holds on. Put it on here. Put it like here. Put it here. I bet it'll hold on there. Not on the very end. You have to put it on. I don't know how you explain that part.
Yeah.
Can't hook it onto air. Maybe it needs to be blessed by the kazoo again. Maybe that's why it's not hanging on. Oh, did you get it?
My turn. Your
Okay,
turn.
Brad's turn.
No.
It didn't work. Here, it goes this way. Let me see.
No, Brad.
I didn't do it right.
No, Brad.
I know. My turn?
No, Brad.
Can I try again? Oh, watch.
She.
Okay, I try.
Yes, go.
Here, watch this way. Cassandra, watch. This way and you blow. Oh, that sounds different, huh? Careful, don't blow your brains out. Yay! Good job. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh! There you go, babe.
Uh-oh. Better pick it up.
You can still have the hook. Here, let me fix it. Let me fix it. Okay, here, your turn. Cassandra's turn. Come on. Come on.
Let's put on top.
Up on top? Me? You're delegating now? Is that good? Is that good? That's just okay. I'm not that impressed. You like the music? Okay, put it on. How's she doing? Are you instructing her in the ways of Christmas decorating?
I think she's got this under control. Okay, put that one on. She's directing me. Who's that? Santa. What does Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh,
Have you seen? Are you gonna see Santa this year? Have you been a good girl? Have you been a good girl this year, Cassandra? Naughty or nice? What do you think he'll say?
None.
Nice? Yeah.
How many Santas do you have?
1, 2. Santa, Santa.
Ho, ho, ho!
Here we go.
Okay, tree elf. Next ornament.
Permanent?
Wait.
Okay, bless it with the kazoo. Excellent job.
Go.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.